everyone, I'm Adrija. Welcome again. In this video, we are going to discuss about prepositions of time at, on and in. Before starting this video, I want to tell you that there are other prepositions of time, but in this video we are only going to discuss about at, on and in because these are the prepositions where people mostly get confused. So take a look at this example. My birthday is dash September. Will it be my birthday is at September? My birthday is on September, or my birthday is in September? Confused? Don't worry. I'm sure that after watching this video, you will be able to answer these type of questions without any doubt and confusion. And another thing is that this at, on and in are also used as prepositions of places. But in this video, we are only discuss about the prepositions of time. Okay, so let's begin with the first one, that is at. But before starting, I'd like to tell you that there is an exercise at the end of this video. So don't forget to solve that exercise and write your score in the comment box below. So let's start with the first preposition, that is at. Okay, what do we use at? We use at before very specific time, okay, before a clock time, for example, before a particular clock time, like before 9:30 p.m., 9 o'clock, okay, 4 p.m. So these are all specific times. So before specific times we use at, okay. So the school bus arrives dash 8:30. 8:30 is a specific time, right? So we are going to write at. I always wake up at 7 o'clock. We have a meeting at 5 p.m. Okay, it is always placed before small specific time. Okay, now at is also used before specific times during the day, like midnight, noon, night. We use at before them, at midnight, at noon, at night. Okay, but before morning, evening and afternoon we use in. We are going to learn about this later in this video, but remember that before midnight, noon and night we use at. We finally reached home at midnight. It gets cold at night. Alright, and there is another usage of at, that is before festivals or holidays without the word day, like Christmas, at Christmas. Are you going home at Christmas? Okay, not before Christmas day. Okay, we only use at before the holidays without the word day. Christmas, at New Year's. Okay, this was the usage of at. Where do we use at? Before specific time, like at 8:30, at 7 o'clock, and before midnight, noon or night. At midnight, at night, at noon. Okay, now let's move to the second preposition, that is on. We use on before specific days or dates. Where do we use at? Before specific time, right? Very particular time. But we use on before specific days or dates. So it is not so much specific as at. Okay. So where do we use on? Before Sunday, on Sunday, on Saturday, on my birthday, on 15th April. Okay. So any particular day or date, before that we use on. Where were you on Sunday? What did you do on your birthday? My birthday is on 15th November. And we also use on before holidays or festivals with the word day. New Year's Day, on New Year's Day, on Valentine's Day, on Christmas Day, on Independence Day. Remember when we were studying about at, we learned that before Christmas we use at, but before Christmas Day we use on. Okay, so before holidays the word day we use on. So I love watching fireworks on New Year's Day. Alright, so these are some examples where we use on. So where do we use on again? We use on before specific days, specific dates, and before festivals and holidays with the word day. Alright, so this is where we use on. Now let's move to the last one, that is in. Now let's discuss about in. Unlike at and on, in is used before a period of time, okay? A long period of time, like seasons, week, month, years, decades, centuries, okay? So all of these are a period of time, right? So before this we use in. Where do we use at? Before a specific time, a specific clock time, we use on before a specific day or dates, but we use in before a period of time, okay? Like in winter, in October, in 1941, in the 19th century, in the 80s or in the 90s. So before this long period of time, we use in. So Rabindranath Tagore was born in 1861. 1861 is the year, right? I am going to London in October. We often go to the beach in summer. The Taj Mahal was built in the 17th century. It was popular in the 1980s. So look over here, 1861 is an example of year, October is month, summer is season, 17th century is a century, and 1980s is a decade. Now if you look over here, all of these have a similarity. They are all a period of time. So before a period of time we use in. Okay, so in is actually the longest among all of this. Okay, we use at and on before specific times, but we use in before a period of time. So, and another thing over here is that when we are mentioning a month, October, we are always going to write the first letter in capital. So October, look, I have written it in capital. So month, all the months, January, February, March, in every month we are going to write the first letter in capital. Same with days, Sunday, Saturday, the first letter will be capital. But before seasons like summer, we are not going to write it as capital, okay? It will just be summer, means S will be small. We also use in before a period of time during the day, okay? Like morning, evening, afternoon. These are a period of time, right? But during the day. So before morning, evening and afternoon, we use in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon. Unlike, remember, we use at before midnight, noon and night. Okay, so at midnight, at noon, at night, but in the morning, in the evening and in the afternoon. So I drink coffee in the morning. He goes out in the evening. Now, we also use in to describe a period in the future, okay, that is going to happen in the future. Like The meeting starts in 10 minutes. Okay, so it is going to start in the future in 10 minutes. Okay, the meeting starts in 10 minutes. She will be here in 3 hours. Okay, in a few weeks. She will be here in a few weeks. She will be here in a few months. She will be here in a few years. Okay, so these are the uses of at, on and in. I hope you don't have any confusion with this, but there is another thing to remember, that we do not use at, on and in before next and last. Okay, for example, they will get married next year. We do not use in here. Okay, they will get married in next year. No, this is wrong. Before next or last, we do not use any of these prepositions. They will get married next year. The baby was born last March. In last March? No. The baby was born last March. Okay, this is an important point to remember. We do not use these prepositions before next or last. Now let's move to the exercises to check your understanding on these preposition exercises. Here are a total of 10 questions. Before I tell the answers, you are going to pause the video and try to solve these questions. And don't forget to share your score in the comment box below. So now pause the video and try to solve these questions. So let's start with the first one. See you dash 2 p.m. Okay, 2 p.m. is a specific time, so we use at before a specific time. See you at 2 p.m. The next one, Kashmir is beautiful dash winter. Winter is what? Season. What do we use before a season? We use in, right? Kashmir is beautiful in winter. The third one, her birthday is dash 9th January. 9th January, so it is specifying a date. So we will use on. Her birthday is on 9th January. I left the party dash midnight. What do we use before midnight? At. I left the party at midnight. I study English dash the morning. We use in before morning, evening and afternoon, right? So I study English in the morning. He was born dash 1977. So 1977 is a year, so we use in before a year. He was born in 1977. She started her new job dash Monday. Monday is a specific day, so on. She started her new job on Monday. She will be ready dash 20 minutes. She will be ready dash 20 minutes, so we are actually referring to something in the future, right? So she will be ready in 20 minutes. I am going on a vacation dash July. So July is a month. Before month we use in. I am going on a vacation in July. And the last one is, his birthday is dash March 27th. Now here you might notice that at first it is written March, but actually it is March 27th. It means 27th of March, right? 27th March. So actually it is referring to the date, not the month. If you think of it as March, then you might write in, but it is actually 27th March. March 27th and 27th March are completely same. So 27th, it is a date. So what do we use before a date? We use on, right? So we are going to write on. His birthday is on March 27th. Okay. So this was the exercise. I hope you understood this video completely, and don't forget to share your score in the comment box. And if you like this video, then click on the like button and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.